Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fried rice with an easy guide. First, let's talk about preparation. Having all your ingredients ready before you start cooking is key. This includes your cooked rice, which should ideally be cold and at least 1 day old for that perfect texture. Also, chop all your vegetables and cook any raw proteins beforehand. This makes the stir-frying process smooth and quick. Now let's get cooking. The secret to great fried rice is high heat. You'll want to heat your wok or a large, heavy-bottomed pan until it's smoking hot. Then, add about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, swirling it around to coat the entire surface. Immediately add your aromatics, such as minced garlic and ginger, and stir-fry them for about 30 seconds until they become fragrant. This step builds a foundational layer of flavor. Next, it's time to combine our main ingredients. Add your pre-cooked vegetables and protein to the hot pan, stir-frying them quickly until they are tender crisp. Then, introduce your cold, day-old rice. Use your spatula to break up any clumps, ensuring the rice separates nicely. Finally, pour in your prepared sauce mixture, which usually includes soy sauce, a dash of sesame oil, and perhaps a pinch of sugar for balance. For the grand finale, continue stir-frying everything together for another 2 to 3 minutes. This allows the sauce to coat every grain of rice and for all the flavors to meld beautifully. Make sure to taste your fried rice and adjust the seasonings as needed, perhaps a little more soy sauce or a pinch of salt. Garnish with freshly chopped green onions or cilantro and serve your delicious homemade fried rice immediately while it's hot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.